Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will talk about the error code FFFFFF with PlayStation 3. This error typically pops up when you try to load a game, particularly from a disk, and the error message you get is, "An error occurred during the start operation." This can be caused by a variety of reasons, but most commonly it's due to a scratched or dirty disk. So, how do you fix it? Let's dive straight into it. The first fix you might want to try is cleaning your disk. Our research indicates that debris or scratches on the game disk are often the main culprits behind this error. So, grab a good cleaning kit, give your disk a thorough wipe down, and make sure it's free from any physical imperfections. Once you've done that, restart your PlayStation 3, reinsert the disk, and see if the error still persists. If the error code still haunts your screen, there's another solution you could try. This one involves your PlayStation Network account. Log into your PSN account and wait for all your friends to load up. Once that's done, give the game another shot. Sometimes this simple action can miraculously clear the error. However, if the error persists, there's one final solution you can consider. This involves deleting all the game data for the affected game. Navigate to the Game Data Utility folder on the XMB and delete all the data related to the game. Once you've done that, reinstall the game, the patch, and any DLC. This might seem like a drastic step, but it's often an effective one. In summary, this error can be a pesky problem, but it's not an insurmountable one. Whether it's cleaning your game disk, loading up your friends list, or deleting and reinstalling your game data, there are several ways to tackle this issue. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.